If you live and drive in Maine, you will definitely need to purchase car insurance. Maine requires all residents who drive to carry a minimum amount of insurance. If you're looking to save money on your Maine insurance policy, you should search on the internet for the best auto insurance quotes. Once you gather a number of quotes from car insurance providers, you will be able to select the provider and quote that meet your budget and auto insurance needs. You are required in Maine to carry the 50/100/25 minimum amount of auto insurance coverage. This includes bodily injury liability limits of $50,000 per injured person up to a total of $100,000 per accident, and property damage liability with a minimum limit of $25,000. Maine is one of several states that follow a tort system. What this means is that if you're in a car accident, someone must be found guilty of the accident. The person found responsible for the accident and his or her car insurance company is then responsible for the medical bills and property damage for both sides. Some states offer cheaper insurance through a private provider. You won't be able to find less expensive auto insurance in Maine this way, though. It was recently reported by the Coalition Against Insurance Fraud that Maine is the #1 state in the United States for car insurance fraud perpetration. There were 158 cases of fraud for every 100,000 residents of Maine. The coalition is working with law enforcement as well as the Bureau of Automobile Insurance Fraud to end this fraud. This coalition recently discovered and eliminated a fraud ring located in one of Maine's towns. The raid that took place ended up saving taxpayers about $15 million, and reduced Maine car insurance rates by 24%. Basically, you will have to purchase your Maine car insurance from the traditional provider. There are many ways to benefit from this situation. Maine auto insurance companies are in competition with each other for your business, which means they will be offering deals to attract you. Maine auto insurance companies will offer you quick and easily attainable quotes. All you have to do is go online, answer a few questions, gather your quotes, and then make a decision. Auto insurance resources. Insurance companies, like many industries, have a language all their own. You should become familiar with at least the basic insurance terms, so that you won't be talked into purchasing more insurance coverage than you need. Many insurance websites have glossaries available with a list of insurance terms for you to read. Some insurance sites have a Q&A section with the most common insurance questions and answers. It's a good idea to look this over before you purchase or renew your insurance policy. You will also find a variety of articles on many insurance sites with information on coverage, requirements in your state, and tips on road safety. When you drive a car, it is important for you to make sure you have the required amount of car insurance for that area. Maine has its own laws concerning car insurance, and you should be awarded what they are if you live there. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting